off the love we're making. Go home with you late night. I do.
Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you something I discovered a little while ago and it totally blew my mind. Well, what am I about to show you is called mudras. Mudras are known and used in Buddhism and Hinduism. They are practiced a lot in yoga. They are also called the yoga of the hands. It was discovered a while back ago by scientists that there were specific energy points in our hands in which by connected and put into certain positions they transmit and project specific energies to our bodies and to the universe. So what type of mudras do they exist in our life? Well, we're gonna get into it a little bit later on in this video, but I'm gonna tell you that this technique can be used anywhere while you're walking, sleeping, while at work, sitting, in the bathroom, or anywhere. That's why I believe this is an awesome technique to transform your life and also your energy from a negative state to a positive state and from a healthy environment to a healthy mindset. So, I'm gonna share with you some examples from the amazing app called Daily Mudras. I suggest you should download this, and I'm gonna give you a link down below in the description. But as you can see, these are some amazing exercises that don't require more than half an hour. You can practice them anywhere. And by doing them, you can change your mind totally and also transform your energy to a more positive state of being and live the amazing life of abundance that you've always dreamed of. You can practice this while meditating and also while breathing because, as I can tell by these mudras that I'm currently practicing, they are totally transforming my current beliefs and also the energies that I used to have. They also help to take out energies of disease and sickness. So I believe this is amazing also for health purposes and also to create the life that you desire. So just by doing this twice or even 3 times a day for 15 minutes each, you can totally transform your energy. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next video. Goodbye.